Santo, Sebastián,
to Radio Time,
Santo, Sebastián,
you're listening to Radio Time.
Hello and welcome to week 52 of Radio Kai.
Yes, welcome to week 52 of Radio Kai. Yes, gone.
Yeah, Dion.
And we hope you enjoyed last week's show, didn't we, gone?
Yeah.
And who did we interview last week, gone?
Alison.
Yes, we hope you've enjoyed the interview with Alison last week, yes, gone?
Yeah.
And also this week we've got a jam-packed show, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
We've got a show full of our features, such as a mystery song. What is a mystery song, gone?
5 different songs.
From 5 different decades, yes, gone?
Yeah.
We also got our history corner with Oshan as well, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
We've also got Ethan with his college, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
We don't know where he'll be taking us this week, no, don't.
No.
You know where he's taking us?
No.
No. And we also got Lacey here with her charts. That's coming up very shortly as well, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
We also got news from around the school as well, haven't we, gone?
Yeah, Dion.
We also got the mystery sound as well, haven't we, gone? And also thanks Gil for suggesting this, yes, gone.
Yeah.
We also got the leaderboard as well, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
We also got the sports news with Max and Peter, haven't we, gone?
Yeah, Dion.
We also got our interview for this week. Who are we interviewing this week, Don?
Oh, wait.
Yes, we're interviewing Oswin this week, as he likes nature, doesn't he, Don?
Yeah.
We'll be chatting to Oswin later on about how he gets along with nature, yes, Don?
Yeah, Dion.
So, we are going to start off with a great tune, aren't we, Don?
Yeah.
From the 80s, yes, Don?
Yeah.
What is the tune called, Don?
95 by Dolly Parton.
And this is requested by Miss T, yes, Don?
Yeah, Dion.
So, Miss T, if you're listening, here's 95 by Dolly Parton.
Tumble out of bed and I stumble to the kitchen. Pour myself a cup of ambition and yawn and stretch and try to come to life. Jump in the shower and the blood starts pumping. Out on the streets the traffic starts jumping with folks like me on the job from 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living. Barely getting by. It's all taking and no giving. They just use your mind. You're just a step on the boss man's ladder, but you got dreams he'll never take away. In the same boat with a lot of your friends, waiting for the day your ship will come in and the tide's gonna turn and it's all gonna roll your way. Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Barely getting by, it's all taking and no giving. They just use your mind. It's a
That was 95 by Dolly Parton.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed that song. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And that was for Miss C. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And now we've got our mystery song for this week. What's the mystery song got?
5 different songs in 5 different
Yes, and yes, here comes a mystery song for you now on Radio Card.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery boy. Mystery boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Touching you. Song number 3 for this week. Time has come.
Song number 4 week.
But the dread don't know that love is his.
Song number 5 this week.
You send my condolences.
Hope you got the song exactly.
Yes, we hope you've all got the mystery songs correctly. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And we are now going. We got our next song here now. Where we go? Yeah. And it's also from the 80s, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the song called?
Crazy Night by Kiss.
Yes, and the next song is Crazy Nights by Kiss, and then after this we'll have Oshanda's History Corner. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Wonder why he's singing us this week.
Don't know.
Don't know, no. We'll have to find out after this by Kiss. Crazy, Crazy Nights. Here on Radio Cab.
Here's a little song for everybody out there. People try to take my soul away, but I don't hear the rap that they all say. They try to tell us we don't belong. That's alright. We're millions strong. This is my music. It makes me proud. These are my people, and this is my crowd. These are crazy, 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 crazy nights. These are crazy, 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 crazy nights. Sometimes days are so hard to survive. Oh yeah, a million ways to bury you alive. Hey, the sun goes down like a bad, bad dream. You'll end up tight, gotta let off steam. They say they can break you again and again. If life is a radio, turn up to 10. These are crazy, 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 crazy nights. These are crazy, 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 crazy nights. Whoa, these are crazy, 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 crazy nights. Come on, these are crazy, 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 crazy nights. And they try to tell us that we don't belong, but that's alright. We're millions strong. You are my people. You are my crowd. This is our music. We don't get loud. Yeah. And nobody's gonna change me, 'cause that's who I am. These are crazy, 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 crazy nights. Oh yeah. These are crazy, 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 crazy nights. Whoa. These are crazy, 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 crazy nights. Yeah. These are crazy,
This is the history. This is the history. Song was Crazy Crazy Night by Kiss. Wherever is that song? That's a new song in the radio, I think. So this week we're going to the Great Wall of China for history. So hope you enjoy this Great Wall of China. So, a giant series of wall built over centuries to protect China from invading. Not one single wall stretching over 13,000 miles and made on earth still, and brick with soldiers using watchtowers to send signals, and surgical sticky rice was used as mortar in some parts. It's a massive ancient structure, the longest man-made one ever, but the idea that it's easily displayed from the moon. Not just one wall, it's actually many walls and fronts built by different rulers over 2,000 years connected into one giant defense system. Super long, all the sections together are over 13,000 miles plus 21,000 km long, making it the world's longest structure ever built. Sticky rice mortar builders use a special mix with sticky rice to help hold the bricks together with which is still strong today if you've been to Great Wall of China. Watchtower per signal. Soldiers used tall watchtowers to see enemies and light fires or send smoke signals to warn others. Who built it? Soldiers, farmers, prisoners and convocation all worked on it. A huge job that took generations. If you don't know that. Materials change. Early walls used dirt and wood, but later parts used bricks and stone. Not displayed from space easily. You can easily see it from the moon, and even from the Earth orbit. It's hard to spot without knowing exactly where to look. A road on top. Some sections are wide enough for cars or for 10 people to walk side by side. Today use it a famous tourist spot, but parts are crumbling because it's so huge. So, what are the 5 facts of the Great Wall of China you know? Right. The Great Wall of China was a series of fortifications, not a single wall built over centuries by different dynasties for defense stretching over 20,000 km, with sections made of stone, earth and brick using sticky rice in it, mortar and featuring watchtowers for communication, making it the world's longest man-made structure and a major UNESCO World Heritage Site. Not one wall, its network of walls of strength and natural barrier built by warriors dynastic, not a single continuous structure, were major constructions by the Qin and Ming dynasty. Incredible length. The total length of all its branches is over 20 billion km to 13.170 miles, making it the world's longest man-made project. Built over millennia, construction started as early as the 7th century BC with the first Emperor Qin Shi Huang, linking earlier fortification around 220 BC, and the most famous pass built during the Minoan dynasty 136 A plus 164 4. So a communication system beyond defense was tower, and become tower served as a rapid communication network using smoke signal by day and fire by night, if you know about that is. So anyway, communication is quite interesting, wasn't it? No. What are the best 10 interesting facts about China? Well, China has only one time zone. China is made up of 56 ethnic groups. Over 300 languages and dialects are spoken in China. Don't ask me what I'm gonna say. I have no idea how to speak China, so that's not gonna work. Celebration usually follow the Chinese lunar calendar, the dragon, the snake, and so on. Everybody has a Chinese zodiac animal. Chinese cuisine is among the most varied in the world. Tea is very important in China, if you don't know that. Why was the Great Wall of China built in KS2? For protection as a way of defending the northern border of country from invasion from the northern Normandy and tribes, as well as Mongolian Empire. It also helped protect the Silk Road and important trade routes that linked China to other parts of Asia plus Europe. Well, quite interesting. Let's see what else I can find. So, did you know 5,500 miles plus 8.85 kilometers was different sections of the wall were built of dirt, stone, or brick, like I told you earlier on. So, what is the 3-hour rule in China? China has a 3-hour rule for online gaming restrictions minors under 18 to just 3 hours per week, specifically from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and public holidays. A drastic tightening from the previous limited to combat gaming addiction, with combining required to use real name verification and facial recognition to enforce it. This rule aims to protect youth mental health, but has led to widespread something communication adoption, like using adult accounts and so on. So, if you want to know more about the Great Wall of China, you should Google it. The China is Great Wall of China for Kids facts. I can't do a lot about it, but all I know is it's good. We got a wall and you can walk on it. It's a tourist attraction, and there's a shop on the bottom of the first half, and it's a good walking route. No, I haven't been there, if you're asking me. I have never been to Great Wall of China. Will I go? Probably. Don't know when. Anyway, the next song is going to be, I hope you enjoyed Great Wall of China history, and the next song is going to be Cafe Gaidwen plus, so it's Cafe Gaidwen, Tony Akaloma. The reason why we're doing Cafe Gaidwen by Tony Akaloma and bod Manuel wedi pasio ffwrdd, and well, not all of them, Tony did, so in memory of him. So it's Cafe Gaidwen by Tony Akaloma. Hope you enjoyed that song, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.
Pat a jarna tag Elsie a Glen. Pat a jarna tag Elsie a Glen. Pat a jarna tag Elsie a Glen. Galwch y gweld nhw yng Nghaffi Gaerwen. Anodd y peiri a colli eich pen. Am Pat a jarna tag Elsie a Glen.
Mae'r hais yn licio troi allan Yn dillad neis I gael sgran Yn dewis hotel sydd yn syrfio Tatw'r host a boel ham Ond bodlon wy fi yn y caffi Mae pawb yn hapus a'ch le Yn lewis fy nghrys Cafwy, chips a pils Ag wrth dalu y bil Mi gaf wengen Pat a Janet ag Elsie a Glenn Galwch y gweld nhw yng nghaffig a'r wen Anodd I peidio a colli eich pen Am Pat a Janet ag Elsie a Glenn Rhywun sy'n meddwl tra ddoelio I ynys y fechan sy'r fôn Cofiwch beidio a pasio Y caffi ar ochr y lôn Croeswch y bont I borthaethwy Ymlaen drwy lan yr PG Cyn pasio drwy bentra bach geirwan Drop in for a nice cup of tea Gen Pat a Janet ag Elsie a Glenn Galwch I gweld nhw yng nghaffig a'r wen Anodd I peidio a colli eich pen Am Pat a Janet ag Elsie a Glenn Gair bach o gyngor bechgyn Mae Elsie a Glenn gyda gŵr A Pat sy'n newydd engeijio Ac yn modlon ar hwnnw dwi'n siŵr Janet geiriau engaf Dominol a delad yn ffri Efallai os galwch I heibio Bydd y gisan fach gyntaf I chwilio Pat a Janet ag Elsie a Glenn Galwch I gweld nhw yng nghaffig a'r wen Anodd I peidio a colli eich pen Am Pat a Janet ag Elsie a Glenn Pat a Janet ag Elsie a Glenn Pat a Janet ag Elsie a Glenn Pat a Janet ag Elsie
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
There's tons of news going around. Welcome to Preservation Periodical for February 2026. Yeah. We got news to cover, starting off with U.S. Sugar puts the Pennsylvania Railroad's business cart, Clewiston, into service. Wait, the U.S. Sugar's got an observation cart? Another one? And this one's from the Pennsy? Pennsy fans will be going absolutely bananas with this one. Next up, the Sioux City Railroad Museum receives $1.93 billion. This is for flood recovery. Holy moly, I'd say it's the Sioux City being involved in a flood in 2024, and now they just got a fundraiser just to make sure to restore everything and, protect the museum, yada yada yada. Next up, the Berkshire Scenic Railway Museum names Melanie Sadin as its first executive director. Good job, Melanie. Here at seal of approval. Next up is the AFT number 1 unveiled after a long restoration at the B&O Railroad Museum, which is a niche segue into the upcoming 200 years of American rail next year. Make history and celebrate it your way. Next up and finally, Santa Fe number 3415 rebuild enters its final phase. Yes, I'm not joking. The final phase of 3415's restoration is underway. Hope to see this engine soon. Next is Lacey's Music Charts, but before then, we got America's semi-quincentennial first. Okay, so thank you, Ethan, for Guards this week. Ethan will be back next week for Guards. Yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
And now we've got our charts for this week, haven't we, gone?
Yeah.
But Lacey's not here to do it this week because she's in Bangor dancing. Yes, Max. So, we are going to do the charts week commencing the 17th of January 1982. So at number 10, we got I Could Be Happy, and that's by who, Don?
On the end of it.
Yes, but that's by Altered Images. Yes, gone.
Yeah, they are.
And at number 9, we got Being Boiled, and that's by the Human League. Yes, gone.
Yeah, they
And at number 8, we got Waiting for a Girl Like You, and that's by Foreigner. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And at number 7, we got Dead Ringer for Love, and who's that by, go on?
Meatloaf and Cher.
Yes, and that's by Meatloaf and Cher. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And at number 6, we got I'll Find My Way Home by John and Vangelis. And at number 5, we got Don't You Want Me, and that's by, go on.
The Human League.
Yes, that's by the Human League. And at number 4, we got Get Down on It, and that's by Kool and the Gang. Yes, go on. Yeah. And at number 3, we've got a bit shaky, haven't we got?
Yeah.
With Oh Julie. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And at number 2, we got The Model. That's by the Kraftwerk. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
What is number 1, Don?
The Man That Make You Lead.
And that's by Bucks Fizz. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed the charts this week. Lacey will be back next week for her charts. And don't know what year she'll be going, but it'll be a mystery year, won't it, Don?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Lacey, for the chat.
Oh, maybe it's not Lacey. Go on. It
No.
was me and you. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
So we need to thank ourselves for the charts this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah,
And it was the 19th of January, 1982. Yes, go on.
yeah, yeah.
So we now got our mystery sound feature for this week now, haven't we? Go on.
Yeah.
So we're going to play your sound right now for you. We're playing this sound directly live to you this week. So are you ready to press the sound on?
Yeah.
Okay, so we hope you guessed that sound. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Those days are over. You don't have to sell your body to the night. Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight. Walk the streets for money. You don't care if it's wrong or if it's right. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Roxanne, 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 Roxanne. I love you since I knew you. I wouldn't talk down to you. I have to tell you just how I feel. I won't share you with another boy. I know my mind is made up, so put away your makeup. Told you once, I won't tell you again. It's the bad way. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. You don't have to put on the red light.
bechgyn ymhellodd i'r aelwyd ei dal. Gwn yn ei law a'i draed yn y baw, yn ymladd yn ddewr dros ei wlad. Pam mod hyn ag i be, pan ar ddiwedd y boi mae na le. Bydd dim ond yn gwlad a dim ond yn tad, oes mae na le.
Ar hywle yn y byd mae plentyn, heb ddillad, heb gartref, heb fan. A miloedd o oes a fydd byw am ei hoes, heb ofyn i neb beth yw cam.
Pam bod hyn ag i be, pan ar ddiwedd y boi mae na le. Neb cyfoeth ond neb llaw, ac ryn faint fydd i bawb, oes mae na le. O Dduw, os wyt ti'n gwrando, mae 'na rhywbeth yn fy mhoen i. Tra mae bywyd yn bod, a oes rhaid i ni fod, mor ffwrdd i'n dod at ti. A phan ddaw ein bywyd i ben, fel daeth bywyd dy fab ar y pren, yn ein gwaed am y môr, am maddau am ti ddod. O diolch am le, oes mae 'na le yn y byd, bydd pawb efo'i gilydd i gyd. Ar ddiwedd y gan, bydd neb ar wahân, oes mae 'na le. Oes mae 'na le. Oes mae 'na le.
That was Harvard to the Dow by Tony Cranmer.
Yes, that was Roller Osmanale by Tony Okoloma. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And now we got your news round the school for this week. Haven't we gone?
Yeah.
Oshan isn't here again this week for news round the school, no, don't?
No, Dion.
Because he's tired. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So we wish Oshan a bit of rest. Yes, go on.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
we'll get cracking with the news round the school. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Okay, so we've got our first news for this week. We've got a couple of kids from Caib. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And they went to Bangor yesterday on Wednesday. Good on they gone.
Yeah.
To go some dancing. Good on they gone.
Yeah.
We hope they danced well. Good on they gone.
Yeah.
And also we've got rugby. Haven't we gone?
Yeah, Dion.
Who's the rugby we've got?
Jason and Dylan.
And that's on between every Wednesday between 3:15 and 4:15. If everyone wants to come along, yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
But you have to have your parents there with you, though. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And also today, what we've got in the cafe, go on.
After tea boxes.
Yes, we got afternoon tea boxes in the cafe this week, haven't we got?
Yeah.
I think that's all the news we got this week, yes, gone?
Yeah.
There isn't that much happening, hold on.
No.
So we've got continuing with our Tony Akaloma tribute now, haven't we got?
Yeah.
We've got Roller Dosser Envis coming up next, haven't we got? And who's this by got?
Tony California.
Dros yr enbys nefoedd i yn olad ble mae'r tolwydd teg mewn swyn gan yn byw rhywle draw dros yr enbys Ligaf y gerdded ar y ddoloedd unwaith ond byroeddwyd plant wrth gael fy llygad gwela fi ymhell tu draw i'r cwmwl di mae seren a'i golau clir tu draw i'r lloer yn farwain i o fyd mor oer i fyw mewn hoel wen rhywle draw dros yr enbys a dar y bach ar adain tu draw i'r enbys mor llon ac iach ymhell tu draw i'r cwmwl dir mae seren a'i golau clir tu draw i'r lloer yn farwain i o fyd mor oer i fyw mewn hoel wen tu draw i'r enbys mor llon ac iach os hed a deryn bach mor ffri tu draw i'r enbys pam o pam na cha fi
That was Do It on Envy by Tony Madam.
Yeah, that was Roller Dosser Envis by Tony Akaloma, yes, gone.
Yeah, they are.
And now we've got your mystery song and mystery sound answers for today, haven't we got?
Yeah.
Okay, so what was our 60 song gone?
Run Away.
And that's by Gal Shannon, yes, gone.
Yeah, they are.
And what was our 70s song gone?
Sweet Caroline.
And that's by Neil Diamond. Yes, gone.
Yeah.
And your 80s offering for this week is Beds Are Burning. Yes, gone. And who's that by?
Midnight Oil.
Yes, that's by Midnight Oil. Yes, gone.
Yeah.
And our 90s song was Sweats by Inner Circle. Yes, gone.
Yeah, dear.
And your naughty song was Human, and that's by gone.
Killers.
Yes, and that's by the Killers. Yes, gone.
Yeah, dear.
Okay, so now we got your mystery sound answer for today, haven't we gone?
Yeah.
And as a clue, we've done this live from the system today, haven't we gone?
Yeah, dear.
We've recorded the sound live directly to you, didn't we gone?
Yeah.
What was the sound this week gone?
A drum.
Yes, and your sound was a drum for this week, wasn't it, Don?
Yeah, dear.
Okay, so now we got us on with the leaderboard answers for this week, haven't we gone?
Yeah.
Let's see if who's won for this week. Yes, gone.
Yeah, dear.
Take it away, Ocean.
Hello and welcome to the leaderboard. Yes, well, it's me, isn't it? Last week, I'm just too tired, wasn't I, Dion? So, I'm back to do the leaderboard. Anyway, let's go and get cracking. So, number 0 for this week, well, 0 out of 15, we have Cynarion and Cynarchwech. Hopefully, you're gonna get better next week, shall we? Anyway, so Cynarch Pimp got 2 out of 15. Well done, Cynarch Pimp. Also, Cynarion got 2 out of 15. Goodness, it's not like Cynarion got only 2 out of 15 though, isn't it? Very odd. Okay then. Anyway, so Cynarion got 2 out of 15. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it's Can You The Name, the album where he's covered. It was, wasn't it? So, anyway, shall we? Yeah, so like I said, Cynarion got 2 out of 15. King Tree got 2 out of 15. The old classic, Elton John. That's a good song, isn't it? Elton John. I do like an Elton sometimes. Anyway, we got number 5 out of 15. We have, like I said, 5 out of 15. It's Mr. T, but it's Mr. Thomas for you all if you don't know who's Mr. T. So it's Mr. T got 5 out of 15. Mr. T who's never here. Anyways, moving on. Let's hope he's not listening, shall we? Anyway, so we have Tree that got 3 out of 15. And hope you enjoyed this leaderboard, 3 out of 15, and hope you're doing it better next week, shall we? Anyway, let's come back on it, shall we? Safe, we got 7 out of 15. We got 1, 2, 3 people has done this. Well done for trying, you 3. Yeah, so Safe got 7 out of 15. Die got 7 out of 15. Well done for trying, yeah. Dwinwen got 9 out of 15. And King Dai got 10 out of 15. Canal Die. Wow, well done. You done very good. Canal Die. You're always doing great job, haven't you? Very great job. So yeah, Canal Die. They got 10 out of 15. And number 1 we have, well, Kate Pedward has 11 out of 15. So hope you enjoyed this leaderboard about Can You Name the album from her covers. Remember no cheating like no one did. Well, I don't know about some of them, but Canal Die, great job. Anyway, so The next song is gonna be so the next song is Abracadabra by Steve Miller Band. Hope you enjoyed this song, and I'll see you next week in week 54 of Radio Kai. Bye bye.
I heat up, I can't cool down. Got me spinning round and round, round and round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Every time you call my name, I heat up like a burning flame, full of desire. Kiss me, baby, let the fire get higher. I wanna reach out and grab ya. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. You make me hot, you make me sigh. You make me laugh, you make me cry. Keep me burning for your love with the touch of a velvet glove. Abracadabra. I wanna reach out and grab ya. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. I feel the magic in your caress. I feel magic when I touch your dress. Silk and satin, leather and lace, black panties with an angel's face. I see magic in your eyes. I hear the magic in your sighs. Just when I think I'm gonna get away, I hear those words that you always say. Abracadabra. I wanna reach out and grab ya. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Every time you call my name, I heat up like a burning flame, full of desire. Kiss me, baby, let the fire get higher. Yeah, yeah. I heat up, I can't cool down. My situation goes round and round. I heat up, I can't cool down. My situation goes round and
So is all draait was de zaak draait nice award. Cox deze nice even zit nog goed. Als zaak Man United Spurs Focus Everton Kirby West Ham Arsenal Sunderland Wolves versus Chelsea Wolves Aston Villa Newcastle, Rangers, Everton, Crystal Palace, and we have Liverpool, Man City, and we have all just the guest stores here. So on Friday, guest store and the doors are 3-3. We have two games tonight, and we have two knockouts. We have this Monday the Spurs
2 Worcestershires, 2 Worcestershire United, 3 Guinness of Man United. We have Augusta, so we have 2 Augusta, 2 Augusta, 2 Augusta, and we have draw. We have Burnley West Ham 1-1, 2-2, 2-1 good Burnley. We got the Arsenal with Sunderland. We have 3-2 to Arsenal. We have 3-0 to Sunderland. We got 2-1 to Arsenal. We have the Wolves with Chelsea 2-2 draw. 2-0 to Wolves. We have 1-1. And we have an Aston Villa 3-0 to Aston Villa. We have 3-2 to Aston Villa and 2-0 to Fulham. We have Newcastle with the Rangers, 4-0 to Newcastle, 3-0 to Newcastle, and we have 2-1 to Rangers. We have Vikings, Crystal Palace, which one is the Seagull or Eagle? Who's the winning? Which one's going to win? 3-0 to Seagull, 3-2 Eagle. We have 2-1 to Eagle. We have Red versus Blue. 3-0 to Blue. We have 4 Blues. We have 2-1 to Blue. And now move on to the table. Off top of the table is Arsenal. Got 63. Bundesliga got to the right just to the Arsenal. So, they got 47. Aston Villa lost the Bresters 1-0. So, Aston Villa got 46. Most City to right ahead of touchdown for Arsenal. We have Man United touchdown to Aston Villa. Go as Man United got the 41. Chelsea got 40 points. Still touchdown to Aston Villa. And now it's a touchdown with Aston Villa 39 to Liverpool. And we have Rashford on the second, got 36. Sunderland got 36. And we have Fulham got 34. And Everton got 34. And Newcastle got 33. And Bolton got 33. Reading got 31. Spurs got 29. And Crystal Palace got 29. And Leeds United got 20. And Northwest got 26. And West Ham got 20. And Burnley got 50. Wolves got 8. So that's it for the currently do. So it's got to be here. It's got to back the back.
All I can do so fine. You keep me rocking all of the time. Red, red wine, you make me feel so grand. I feel $1 million when you're just in my hand. Red, red wine, you make me feel so sad. Anytime I see you go, it make me feel bad. Red, red wine, you make me feel so fine. Monkey packing music on the sweet lip line. Red, red wine, you give me whole heap of zing. Whole heap of zing, make me do my own thing. Red, red wine, you really know how to love. You're kinda loving like a blessing from above. Red, red wine, I love you right from the start. Right from the start, with all of my heart. Red, red wine in a 80s style. Red, red wine in a modern beat style. Yeah. Give me a little time, let me clear up my mind. Give me a little time, let me clear up my mind. Give me red wine, because it make me feel fine. Make me feel fine all of the time. Red, red wine, it make me feel so fine. Monkey packing music on the sweet depth line. The line broke, the monkey get choked. Bun bad ganja pan and little rubber bow. Red, red wine, I'm gonna hold on to you. Hold on to you, cause I know you love truth. Red, red wine, I'm gonna love it till I die. Love you till I die, and that's no lie. Red, red wine can't get you out my mind. Wherever you may be, I'll surely find. I'll surely find. Make no fuss, just live with us. Give me a little time, let me clear up my mind. Give me a little time, let me clear up my mind. Give me red wine, because it make me feel fine. Make me feel fine all of the time. Red, red wine, it make me feel so fine. Monkey packing music on the sweet depth line. The line broke, the monkey get choked. Bun bad ganja pan and little rubber bow. Red, red wine, you really know how to love. You're kinda loving like a blessing from above. Red, red wine, I love you right from the start. Right from the start, with all of my heart. Red, red wine, you give me whole heap of zing. Whole heap of zing, make me do my own thing. Red, red wine in a 80s style. Red, red wine in a modern beat style. Yeah. Red, red wine, you make me feel so fine. You keep me rocking all of the time. Red, red wine, you make me feel so grand. I feel $1 million when you just.
So you're listening to Radio Camp, and we've got a very special guest here with us today, haven't we, Gone?
Yeah.
Are we interviewing this week, Gone?
Oswin.
Yes, we're interviewing Oswin today, the king of nature. Yes, Gone?
Yeah.
Hello, Oswin, sut ydych chi heddiw?
Helo Dion, da chi'n o lew?
Na diolch.
Where's your favourite place in Wales?
Ooh, that's a hard question. But I'm simply from Anglesey. I've travelled a lot around Wales. But to me, one of the nicest places I think on Anglesey is the Dingle Nature Reserve, which is opposite the school in Llangefni.
Yeah. You've been to the Dingle, haven't you, mate?
Yeah.
Haven't you, Max? Lucy?
Yeah.
Peter? No.
Keitha, you found?
Well, I find all sorts of animals. But I think last year I went to one of my spots where I look at the adders, the local snakes we have here, and I found a nest of young weasels, 4 or 5 of them together, and they were actually eating one of the adders, which is the only poisonous snake we have in the UK.
What's the craziest one Keon found?
Oh, Keon, well, everything Keon finds most of these animals for me. It's like he's got an extra sense. He knows where the adders are and everything.
Cool, yes, Gone?
Yeah.
Yes, Max? Yes, Lucy?
Yeah.
And my third question for you is, how many documentaries have you been in?
Oh, too many to remember.
We've heard that you've been in some of Telly Cymru's documentaries.
Oh yes.
Can you tell us more, please?
Yes, well, I've done one in Anglesey with the naturist for Wales, Iolo Williams, where I took him out as he doesn't know much about adders, so I took him out to one of my good spots so he could have a good day filming them.
Ah, that's cool, isn't it, Max?
Yep.
Lisa Lacey?
Yeah. How old were you when you first got into nature?
Oh, as far as I can remember, I think it was about 4 years old.
4 years old?
Yes, I had all sorts of pets in my garden, and my mother only lived in a council house. But I had chickens, ducks, turkeys, muscovies, bantams. I had a goat, rabbits, hamsters, guinea pigs, pigeons, dogs and cats, and spiders.
That is a lot of animals, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Isn't it, Max?
Maybe he'll be kept in the zoo for doing that.
Yes, maybe I should have had a zoo.
Do you think that, Kill? That I should have had a zoo?
Well, I've got a zoo now, and his brothers and sisters are the animals.
What will the gigs you build?
Oh, I think it's a house I did in Deganwy, where there's people living with lots of money.
Wow.
And, yes, I built a big house there for about 400,000.
Whoa.
5 years ago.
Wow. 400,000?
Yes, it was a very good project for me.
Wow.
As it was a listed building, one of only 3 in Deganwy, so we had to make sure that the house we were building had to keep in appearance with the other buildings next to it.
Wow.
So I had to replicate what the great man did before me.
Why are you getting in the building?
Well, to be honest with you, I was 14 and I wanted money.
Yeah.
And there was a chap who lived by me who said, I'll give you work at the weekends. And I was getting £6 a day and I had to work really hard. But I enjoyed it and I learned a lot of things, and that's where it started.
Wow. Look how far you come along, yeah?
Well, I do my best.
Yeah. Like we all have to try our best, haven't we, Max? Go on,
Yeah.
Peter. Lacey.
What 5 people you go out with pub?
Dead or alive, yes, Max?
It'd have to be David Iwan, Gwynfor Evans, Saunders Lewis, Mark Hughes, the great footballer from Wrexham, and Bryn Vaughan, the singer from Pennygroes.
Ah. That's interesting, isn't it, Max?
Yep.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it, Peter? Isn't it, Lacey?
Yeah.
Do you like David Iwan?
Yes, do you like having me one, Dawn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Max, Peter? Lacey?
No.
Okay, so our 8th question for you is, where is the furthest place you have been?
In the world?
Yeah.
Spain.
Spain. What did you do in Spain?
I just went for a family holiday. We don't like to travel far, because the children don't like noises on the aeroplanes. So we've got to keep Kian happy. And, he likes to go wherever we can find tractors.
Yeah, you like tractors, go with Kian.
And big bells.
Oh, here it is.
We've heard he likes giggers as well, yes?
The bulldozers.
Oh, yes, he tells us all the time about that, yes, Max?
Yeah.
And has he told you about the models he's got?
Yes, he's got a lot of models, yes, go on.
Oh, he's got over 300 models.
Wow.
And one day when he's coming to school, I'm going to sell them and buy a new car for myself.
Just you wait, Kian, yes, Max?
Yeah.
I think that'll make Kian happy.
Don't think so.
No, I don't either.
Who is your favourite son, Sian or Owen? You got to pick one, or Swen.
Well, Owen's not here to hear me, so I'll say Kian.
Oh, yes. Why would you pick Kian?
Well, he's such a nice boy, isn't he?
Yeah.
What song do you want to end the show with?
Well, it can only be one song. Amai by David Iwan.
Yes, okay, so we'd like to thank Goswin for coming here today, Gil Goswin.
Diolch I chi am cael y cyfle iddo di.
Croeso. What do you say to Goswin, guys?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We will see you next week for week 52 of Radio Caribbean. Go on.
Yeah.
And take care for now. And thank you, Goswin, for coming in. We're going to finish off the show with Am I Hurt by Gav V1. See you next week for week 53 of Radio Caribbean. Go on.
Yeah.
Take care for now.
Does neb yn ei nabod o. Mae 1,600 o flynyddoedd yn amser hir i'r to. Ond aeth Magnus Maximus o Gymru yn y flwyddyn 303 yn gadair yn genedl gofal a heddiw
Good morning. Kate Bellamy has 2-1 Wales. I'm not off here, you sons of speed.